you do get 150 brake horsepower. Lovely stream down there. Welcome to Hitch and Ride. Today I'm actually out on the RD350LC that I've been doing a rebuild on. That's finally done. So just taking a little test ride, check it all over, make sure it's alright, and then I'm going to pull over in a minute and go around the bike to show you, what I've done to it really and how it all looks now. So this ride, lovely, really nice to ride. Especially helps with an extra fork aisle in the forks here that I put in. It's different when these are standard, they're just so soft on the front. They dive a lot when you're braking out, but you put that extra aisle in there, it's a lot better. I've done all that in part 2 actually, so if you haven't seen the rebuild then and you're interested in improving your forks on your RD, then watch part 2. That'll tell you how to actually do all the fork seals a lot, and tells you how much oil I put in them just to stop that dive and that. Yeah, so take a look. These are lovely little bikes, these are really comfortable, and that seats on these are so soft, sitting straight upright on them, so just really comfortable. It just sounds so nice as well. Can't beat the sound of that 2-stroke. You just got that smell, that 2-stroke smell, you know. It takes you back to, well, it takes me back anyway to when I was like 16 and when I had my little 52 strokes and stuff. 125s, I had a TZR 125. Yeah, it's been a nice build to do this, sort of really enjoyed it. But hopefully there should be some more builds come up in the future. So keep an eye out on my channel, so if you're interested in bike builds and stuff and bike reviews I do, touring videos. Next year I should be going to Germany. We're going to Eagle's Nest and probably going to do in the Black Forest and all stuff like that, so that'll all be on my channel. So if you're interested in all that, then hit that subscribe button and you'll see my videos when I upload them then. Sound lovely this thing, when you open it up. Go well as well. Real nice smooth delivery actually. Once I hit that band, that's just lovely and smooth. Sound great. And surprising how well these things handle as well really. is running sweet. It's all good. So if you don't know, this is actually my mate's bike, and I've done all the work on it for him. It's not actually mine. So he'll be getting it back now. So he should be happy with this. Just tidied it right up. Look, a really tidy bike now. And these things are worth quite a lot of money now. He'd probably get like 8-9 grand for this if he sold it. 2 strokes are fetching a lot of money now these days, especially the 500s, like the RG 500s and that. Mad, 20 grand now. Mad money. Right, well, what I'll do then, I'll find a place up here to pull over and we'll go around the bike. I'll just show you the bike and just sort of go through what I've done to it really. Start the front wheel, so it's all been rubbed down, painted and all polished up, the wheels. I painted the discs as well. The forks are all stripped down, new Ireland seals in them. Got a new brake master cylinder. Top yoke was all powder coated in the handlebars. New clutch lever. Got new mirrors. All the paintwork was really good on this, so we didn't have to do the paintwork. That was only done, I think, like a couple of years ago. And the seat has been recovered. That looks nice. So the wheels. A lot better now. The pipes and out, I sprayed the pipes as well, tidied them up. Engine casings powder coated, and I did touch in the cylinder head this side as well, and barrel, because it had a few little marks on it, that's all. You can see the pipes there and the frame. It's like mint now, frame. Just tidied it right up. It's looking really nice. Especially side casings come up really nice in the satin. Yeah, it's a really nice bike now. I think I'll be very happy with it. Right, I'll just start it up just so you can hear what it sounds like with these pipes on. Well, so that's it now. It's all done. This is the final part. So I'll be handing it back to me mate now. Hopefully he should be happy with it. I'll just say thanks to everyone that's been watching the build over the last few months. If you're new to the channel, then if you haven't seen the actual build, then take a look. It's all on there, right from start to finish. There's other videos on there as well, like bike reviews, touring videos, and everything like I said, so take a look. And if you're not aware, Itching to Ride is sort of working with Orwell Motorcycles, and Orwell Motorcycles have provided Itching to Ride with a 10% discount code for all parts and clothing. So if you're looking to buy any parts for your bike, any goodies or any clothing, so take a look on their website. That's orwells.co.uk. I'll put it up on the screen and I'll put the discount code up. So take a look on there. You can, like I say, buy from their online site, or you can go in store and use it. Up to you. So yeah, it's going to save yourself 10%. Lovely. Alright, so I'll see you all on the next video. See you later.